Well, howdy ho, Stampers. Deb Valder here from Teaspoon of Fun. Today I'm going to bring you one of our brand new class kits you can get in the mail. It comes with a huge stamp set. It comes with enough to do 5 cards with the envelopes. It is just absolutely amazing. I did pair it up with our ink, and it's just so pretty. This is the card that you will get the instructions for, but you will also get some great ideas inside here. So let's just kind of take a look and see what we have inside of our little kit here. Again, you will get all of these stamps. They're just so pretty. I'm going to show you a few cards that I've done besides that, besides the one that you can get here, and I will keep using this to show the versatility of this card. You know, spring is coming, and even though we're gonna have one of our biggest snowstorms tonight, we are just looking forward to spring. So in here, you're gonna get the directions and a couple of ideas, but I'm also gonna show you some really nice ideas that you can also do with this one. So this right here is one of the stamps and one of the sentiments that are in here. That's one of these right here. And here's another one. I've used some different backgrounds on it. For this little guy right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but what I did was I paper pieced it, I stamped it, and then I stamped just the butterfly onto another sheet of paper. So what I did was, let me find the right one. It is this little guy right here. So this one right here, what I did was I just took and I inked up this part right here, and I stamped it down onto a scrap piece of paper. I colored it, and then I cut it out, and look at it just kind of sets up like this. I just kind of scrunched his little wings with my retractable pick, and that's where the retractable pick is an awesome deal, because what happens is I can use it for this rolling, where I did this rolling method. I also added some of our jewels on the top here. So pretty. And then I also have this one. Now you'll notice that I've been using a lot of backgrounds. If you go back and look at our blog at Teaspoon of Fun, our website, but on the website there is our blog, and it has some of the most amazing, spectacular background dyes. I just did one yesterday that just went nuts on social media, so make sure you check it out. It's just teaspoonoffun.com. I love sharing with all of you, and like I said, the things that we share with you are in our shop that you can purchase. So this right here is just a couple of the other ones. Here's one, here's a different one right here. I just love texture on the background. I simply absolutely love these. And you'll notice that I use some nice bright colors because of the colors that I used inside the flowers and the butterflies. So this is our newest kit. Remember, you get 5 cards, 5 envelopes, and you will get me doing a lot more with this. So grab yours, because we do have a limited supply. If you have any questions, just get a hold of Vicki or I. And also, if you want to hop on over to the blog or the website, there is a little eye up in the upper right-hand corner, or in the description below is the link, or you can just Google Teaspoon of Fun and you will come up with us. So you take care, have a great day, and enjoy everything that we're doing. Thank you.